Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic linear inequalities. In the previous video, we solved an example on type 4 of linear inequalities. In this video, we are going to consider another example. So let's look at our questions for this video. We are being given 8x minus 3 over 2 minus 10x minus 6 over 4 minus 12x minus 1 over 12 greater than 4 whole number 1 over 12. So how do we solve this? As I said in the previous videos, the first thing you need to do is to identify the fractions. So here the fractions are this, which is 8x minus 3 divided by 2, 10x minus 6 divided by 4, 12x minus 1 divided by 2, and 4 whole number 1 over 12. So what you have to do here is that since we have a mixed number or mixed fraction, you have to first convert this to an improper fraction. So that's the first thing you need to do. So we have 8x minus 3 divided by 2 minus 10x minus 6 divided by 4 minus 12x minus 1 divided by 12. Then you convert this. We are going to have 12 times 4, which will give us 48, plus 1, that will be 49, divided by 12. If you watch the video on conversion of mixed fractions or mixed numbers to improper fractions, you understand this very well. Now after you are done with this, the next step you need to do is to find the LCM of the denominators. The denominators in this case are 2, 4, 12 and 12. If you find the LCM of 2, 4 and 12, you are going to get 12. So the LCM of these numbers is 12. Now, what you have to do next is to identify the terms in the inequality. You have to find the terms in the inequality. As I said, terms are separated by either addition or subtraction. So here, the whole thing that you have together here, this fraction is a term. Now there's a subtraction here, so which means that the next one is also a term. So this is also a term. Then this one is also a term since it's being separated by subtraction. Then what you have on this side here is also a term. So we have 4 terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after you've identified the term, the next thing you need to do is to multiply each term by the LCM. So we are going to have this term here times 12, this term times 12, this term times 12, then this term times 12. Hope that is clear. So from here, we can move on to the simplification. Now, if you are simplifying, you will see that, if you are simplifying, you see that 12 or 2 will cancel 12 6 times, 4 will cancel 12 3 times, 12 will cancel 12 1, then 12 will also cancel 12 1. So we are going to have, since 2 is cancelling 12 6 times, we are going to have 6 times what is here. Now I'm putting that in a bracket because in the videos on multiplication of algebraic expression, we learned that whenever you have a single term multiplying a binomial, that is 2 terms, put the binomial in a bracket. Here 8x minus 3 is a binomial, 6 is a single term. So if it's multiplying a binomial, you have to put the binomial, which is 8x minus 3, in a bracket. Once again, watch the video on multiplication of algebraic expressions and you understand very well why we are putting 8x minus 3 into a bracket. 4 will cancel itself 1 and cancel 12 3 times. So you have 3 into brackets, what you have here, which is 10x minus 6, minus 12 will cancel 12 1. So 1 times what you have here, which is 12x minus 1. Then 12 will cancel 12 1. So 1 times 49 will give us 49. From here, we open the bracket and we simplify. So we have 6 times 8x which will give us 48x. 6 times 3 will give us 18, but it's negative, so minus 18. Minus 3 times 10x will give us minus 30x. Minus 3 times minus 6 will give us positive 18. Remember, when a negative number multiplies a negative number, you are going to get a positive number. Minus 1 times 12x will give us minus 12x. Once again, minus 1 times minus 1 will give us positive 1. Then this one is greater than 49. So we group like terms and we simplify. In grouping like terms, you are going to have 48x minus 30x minus 12x greater than or equal to 49 plus 18 minus 18 minus 1. So we move on. 48x minus 30x minus 12x will give us 6x. 49 plus 18 minus 18 minus 1 will give us 48. When you get here, what do? You divide through by the number attached to the variable. The number attached to the variable is 6. So you divide through by 6. So 6 will cancel 6 to give us x. 48 divided by 6 will give us 8. So the answer to our question is x is greater than or equal to 8. Try and represent this answer on your number line and see if you'll be able to do it. Thank you for watching this video on linear inequalities. In the next video, we are going to learn how to solve the fifth type of linear inequalities. Bye-bye.